think it's because you're by yourself out there.
Right, yeah, she's with somebody.
Elizabeth's never been nervous with the dance, but yeah, the other stuff.
Moves?
Oh, yeah. Well, freestyle probably even more so.
Yeah.
There's just more of a chance of you know, having a mess up or whatever. But I've seen girls that are falling on dance and they still pass.
On dance?
Yep.
It'd be pretty hard to fall on dance when you've got this partner who's like 3 times your size.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Huh.
So
Wow.
they don't. I guess they don't penalize you if you do, and they just, as long as you do every, you know, you're doing it right. Looks good. Yeah. I was kind of surprised.
She's not smiling. Why isn't she smiling?
Elizabeth gave me a look over here like, I'm like, what was that?
know it.
I was like,
Scared to death.
Yeah. I'm looking at her like, well, you didn't mess up. Why are you acting like that? But what's always so funny is certain days, I just love them. On this one, it'll be like confident expression, okay?
Shows
And then on this one,
yeah.
work on expression.
Oh, you mean this is the same?
They're-
Oh, I
they're
see,
like-
they're
they're like
all
three
three
different
different
judges.
people, okay.
But it's so funny
Oh, is
how
that
one
funny?
can see
One can
something,
see?
something completely different than one of the other ones. See, she's doing great. Her extensions are so nice.